on, guys? I was at a local yesterday and I got a 5-pack of these 40 grainers. Already had a bunch of the hollow points. Need to get some more of these. Probably stop back in and get another one. But while I was there, grabbed another CCI 22 mag this morning. I went and grabbed the rest of these Remingtons. Got a 5-packer, but that's about it for my scores. I'm gonna have to slow the roll a little bit. I got some other things coming up. I've got some purchases I need to make on my gun front, so I'm gonna still buy this. I'm gonna still stack it deep, but I'm gonna slow down just a tad. But anyway, just a small score. These are Remy's 40 grainers. Love them. CCIs. The 22 mag 40 grainers. That's a small score today. Just think 2 years ago this would have been a massive coup. But it's getting better. You guys take care. Shoot straight. Later.